The Smart Tables and Optimizer make it easy to find the information that you need to make better, more informed, more confident decisions as a Jira admin. For example, you might want to quickly view which Jira projects have been inactive for a period of time, or those that are unused altogether, which might be prime candidates for removal. Alternatively, you might want to better understand the workflows that are being used in your Jira instance and which projects these are associated to. Smart Tables makes this process a breeze and will save you a lot of time by displaying all the relevant information in one place. So with that being said, let's get stuck in.
First, we need to start by opening Optimizer from the Apps menu at the top of Jira. Just a quick reminder, Optimizer is an admin-only tool, so your general Jira users will not be able to access this tool and it will be limited to your administrator team only. Once you are in Optimizer, the Smart Tables can be accessed in two ways. First, you could click into any one of these tiles on the instance overview screen and it will navigate you to the relevant Smart Table. Alternatively, you can use the left-hand navigation menu to access any of the Smart Tables in Optimizer, and more Jira configurations will be added to this list soon. In this example, we're going to dive into the Custom Field Smart Table, which is a very popular one for many of our customers. On this screen, you can see that Optimizer has assembled a lot of the important information about custom fields in a very easy to understand view. These Smart Tables are fully customizable, so you can add or remove columns to give yourself the picture that you need to make more informed decisions. To add or remove columns, just access the View menu in the top right-hand corner here and use the checkboxes to add or remove the columns that you need. If there are columns missing that you would like to see added to this product, of course please do let us know, and there is a link here to let our team know, and we'll make sure this is added to the product development roadmap. On this Smart Table, you'll also notice the bulk action and review changes options in the top right-hand corner as well. We're not going to cover these in this video, but there is another video that will walk you through both of these features. As I mentioned at the beginning, there are other Smart Tables available, and you can easily access these using the left-hand navigation menu. For example, if we click into Workflows, you have the Active Workflows table here. Again, Optimizer will populate a lot of the important information relating to active workflows that will help you better understand the active workflows you have in Jira, and also identify any areas that you could optimize these workflows further. And it will also help you understand any areas for improvement in your Jira instance.
So there we have it. The Smart Tables are pretty easy to use, right? We've got some exciting plans in store for the Smart Tables, and we'll continue to add more data columns to each one over time. So watch this space. If you're new to Optimizer and you're considering trying it out, you can get a free 30-day trial on the Atlassian Marketplace by following the link in the video description below. And just remember, we're here to help you get the most out of Optimizer. So if you want to learn anything about any of the features in the product, be sure to check out our user guides by following the link shown on the screen now. Or if you have any questions, just send an email to support@appfox.io and one of our customer support team will be in touch. Happy optimizing.